What's good, Moguls fam? And I am back with another banging banger. Ngibheki nenye ibhenga futhi. So namhlanje i-topic esizogxila kuyona ekhuluma about ukuthi ayini ama-pips and yini umsebenzi wawo. Ngizokuchazela-ke ukuthi-ke ama-pips ayini. Kubalulekile-ke as a beginner ukuthi u-understand-e kuwo wonke ama-phase e-market ukuthi nje yini nani yini umsebenzi wayo, because if unganalo ulwazi lazo zonke lezi zinto, most definitely ngeke uze ukuqonde okwenzayo. So ngaphandle kokuthi ngichithe isikhathi-ke, so inkulumo yami namhlanje ikhuluma ngokuthi yini ama-pips. Ake ngibhale kanje, yini, ngase ngabhala kakhulu, ama-pips. Pips. So ama-pips-ke actually it's leli gama elithi pip okokuqala, elithi pip li-abbreviation leli gama. So lichazani? Lichaza ukuthi percentage in price. Ilona gama kahle kahle elichaze lokho, meaning ukuthi bachaza ukuthi it's a unit. It is where kahle kahle uthola ukuthi i-price esuke ime khona mawukuthi ayinyakazi, isuke ime kulelo nani lelo elilodwa, ngoba i-pip it's a unit, into eyodwa. So enama-loan out kufike kube u-percentage in price, naleli elinye elikhuluma ngokuthi price in point. So into eyodwa leyo, yabo, iyayichaza. So uwatholaphi-ke ama-loan ama-pips akho? So ama-pips akho are actually these prices right here, njengoba ubona nje kusukela la kuya la, iwona ama-pips akho lawo. Iwona ama-pips lawo okwazi ukuthi ma wenza, it's either wenza ama-pending orders noma ama-pending orders kusuke kuwo-buy stop no-sell stop, mase kuba khona no-set limits, o-sell limit, no-buy limit. Nalapho-ke ngisazo-dive in, but okwamanje ake ngithi ukukhulumela phezu kwalento engize ngayo, which is ama-pips. So there are two types of I wouldn't say called categories, but akufani indlela ama-pips asuke ebekwe ngakhona. Khona amanye anama-decimal awu-5, khona amanye uthola ukuthi anama-decimal awu-2. So siqala kule anama-decimal awu-5. So ake ngenze umzekelo, sorry about that. Ake ngenze umzekelo, ngithathe lo u-1.3 no-0 abawu-4. Ake ngithathe yena. So how do you know ukuthi i-pips lithini? So let's say right now i-price yethu iku-1.3000. So i-price yethu ngokomzekelo iku-1.3000. So in order for us to know ukuthi le price iyehla noma iyanyuka, sibona ngokuthi mawukuthi iyanyuka, le price le izoba u-1.000, yabo ukuthi labo 0 bawu-3, then mase kuthi la 1, meaning ukuthi i-movement emarket has moved from 1,30000 to 1,30001, which is 1 pip. Kahle kahle ilanguage yaka forex leyo usho ukuthi ilona i-movement eyodwa it's 1 pip. I-language nje yakhona i-pip nje la siyibiza nge-movement esuke yenzekile kwi-market. Then if let's say it's going down, mhlawumbe izokwehla imakethe la ngeke kusaba 1,30000 sekuzoba u-1.2999. So ngamanye amazwi la i-pip isiyehlile kayikodwa, which is one movement of 1 pip. So kahle kahle i-pip into eyodwa, i-movement yemakhethi ye-price esuke iyenzeka ngaleso sikhathi leyo. It's nothing critical le, into nje plain simple. So that is one category. Then number 2, how do you distinguish i-pip when ama-decimals awu-2? So kuyenzeka uthole ukuthi i-price yaleyo currency leyo u-156.25. So la i-decimal ayifani nale kade siyenze example la. La i-pip yakhe ile u-5, 1 pip lu. Shuthi ngamanye amazwi mayinyuka uzoba u-6 la, mayehla kuzoba u-4 la. So simple like that. Akuyona into e-complicated. Uyabo? But-ke you have to understand. You have to understand ukuthi ama-currencies-ke awamove ngokufana. Yabo? Awamove ngokufana. Sorry about that. Awamove ngokufana. So it's another formula ukuthola ukuthi mhlawumbe i-lot size yakho uma uyifaka mhlawumbe u-1 lot size, mhlawumbe ngenza umzekelo, 1 lot size like 1 lot. Uma ufaka u-1 lot kwamanye ama-currencies kuyenzeka ukuthi kungenzi ngokuthi multiplied by lama pips lawa osuke i-market inyakaze ngawo. Okunye kuyenzeka ukuthi kube ngazuthi kuhamba ngama-even number, kuyenzeka futhi kuhambe ngama-odd number. Yabo, iy'ndawo ama-currencies awafani. Uthole ukuthi njengoba ku-1 lot wena uyitshela ukuthi hhayi obviously i-pip lilodwa lizomuva ngo-1 lot. Yabo, kuyenzeka uthole ukuthi liba u-0.50, yabo, kube less than noma 0.70, uthole ukuthi linyuka ngo-0.70, imali yakhe imultiply-eka ngo-0.70 instead of 1 lot. But amanye-ke njengo-NZD, o-GBP USD uhamba according to i-lot size yakho exactly lo osuke uyifakile. So ngiye ngirekhomende lokho-ke mina ukuthi usebenzise lama-currencies lawo asuke ehambelana ne-lot size yakho because ikunikeza amathuba amaningi ukuthi wenze more money. Yabo? So yeah, and another thing, knowing ama-pips akho kuyakusiza ukuthi ukwazi ukubona ukuthi i-stop loss usifakaphi. Where do you put your stop loss? And njengoba kade sengishilo ama-pending orders also nakwi-market ukuthi ungena nini uma ukuthi wenza i-market direction. So lezi zinto zibalulekile lapho-ke with regards to ama-pips akho. And to cut the matter short, singayenzi ividiyo ibe nkulu kakhulu. Kuma-fundamentals, please ngizoyi-emphasize nje le nto always. Kuma-fundamentals, usually personally mina angisenzi i-stop loss because vele ngisuke ngazi ukuthi it's do or die. Yabo? But uma ukuthi wenza ama-technicals, make sure ukuthi you use, sorry about that, make sure you use 2% of your initial deposits. Izokusiza le nto, 2%. ungariski yonke imali yakho laphayana usukhala la usuthi ngeke nisifundise into e-wrong, but wena awuyazi i-risk management. But nje iyona nto ebalulekile whenever you understand or ufuna ukwazi ngama-pips. Ama-pips nje they are very simple to understand. It's just that kuba ngconywana umuntu uma eyazi ukuthi kahle kahle what's the meaning of it. Kahle kahle indlela ekusuke kugejwa ngayo i-markets ukuthi i-price yayo ikephi nendawo, that's it. So guys, if mawukuthi unenkinga uyalahleka, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel on the road to 5K subscribers. So nje let's get it. Uma unenkinga nje mfethu, make sure nje you comment and I will do that video. So peace.